When I find good deals, I always like to pass them along to you. And I realize when you go to thrift stores or the Goodwill bins or somewhere else, you don't always find the same things I do, but I'm just trying to help you out to what to look for when you go to places. I got all of these items I'm showing you at a church rummage sale. Their last day, I got all of these for $10. These are those wood rounds that the Dollar Tree sells. There's 8 of those that I got. The next items that I got are these wood frames, and I got 5 of these. You can use them as trays, picture frames, anything that your creative heart desires. The next items I got were these embroidery hoops, and this is a very wide embroidery hoop, and they cost a pretty penny, and I got a smaller one. And as you know, we can do a lot of things with these, so grab these up when you go, and always, always, always go on the last day because they're just giving them away. Moving along to this wood circle wall hanger, the original price from Hobby Lobby was $7.49, and if I just bought this alone, it would be almost the complete cost of everything I bought at this rummage sale. Moving along, I got this big pack of scrapbook paper, and it's the 12 by 12 sheets. And as you know, scrapbook paper is not cheap, and look at the beautiful patterns that come in this, and I almost feel like every piece is there. So that's an amazing deal. Moving along, I got this little roll of Cricut vinyl, and I don't have a Cricut machine, but you can use this to cover many items for wreaths, for trays, for all kinds of stuff. You can even use them as a stencil. And I couldn't pass up these candle wall sconces. They're very much giving me Magnolia vibe. And I'm going to be doing a craft with them here soon, so you'll have to see what I do with them, but I could not pass them up. They are in the granny chic and cottagecore, and I really love them. The next items, I got 2 brand new blocks of candle wax, and these little things in the bag, the wood and the metal, those are little wick holders. All you do is place them on top of whatever container you're wanting to make a candle, and they help center your wicks and hold them in place. My biggest tip and advice to you is as the weather's getting warmer now, you need to go out and check out those yard sales, rummage sales, and especially those church sales. Sometimes they just ask you to make a donation. So those are the places I would say go first when you're wanting the best prices on craft supplies. And that wraps it up for today. And as always, if you love my content, leave me one word what you think about this video. Always subscribe and like. Thank you.